Primarily, everything comes from Allah. Once you are set in that belief, nothing will deter you. And no matter what happens, you believe that it was something positive. When someone criticizes you, today I received a message of someone who actually said something that was inappropriate and wrong, unfortunately. And they were going to be penalized by someone else to say, why did you? And I sent a message to say, please do not penalize, excuse them, forgive them. And they don't know any better. And let's leave it be, because there's no point in doing that. And I'm at peace with it. I've once told a certain person that, look, if you ever need to speak about me again, please do so. It's fine. So long as it's me, not someone else, because you're excused. I am sometimes baffled at how forgiving I've become towards people who have personally attacked me. But I thank Allah that He's allowed me to get to a point where I can just laugh it and I say, it's fine, it's okay. I don't even want an apology. I don't need an explanation and whatever. The only fear is when someone publicly attacks you. I give you an example. Sometimes you do something, you say something, and then you have people who publicly attack you, and it goes to show that they probably don't think that let's solve this matter. Rather, they just want to swipe. If I see a group of boys and girls doing something wrong, I'm a father, number one. I'm a grandfather as well. And I also...
very young Mufti.
No, mashallah. And I also have worked with community. I will look at these young boys and girls who are doing something wrong and unacceptable as my own kids. And I will ask myself, what should I do to solve this matter, to empower them, to educate them, so that they become responsible and they don't repeat this. And then I will deal with it, and it's very different from how the normal layman would deal with it, who hasn't even thought that these are our kids. They would cancel them, write them off, perhaps come up with something drastic. They will say nasty things. They will go on the public and make a mockery of these people, turning them further away from the deen, and they think they're doing them a favor. Do you really care for the ummah? Do you care for the people around you? When they've made a mistake, you need to be the father figure. You need to be the mother figure. You need to be the murshid, the person who's teaching. You need to come to them and say, listen, my son, this is not appropriate. And we get this from the hadith where the man came in and urinated in the masjid. The Prophet ﷺ told him, listen, you know what? Masjid is not for peeing. As beautifully as that.